got him. I'm gonna be creek fishing today. And as you can see, it is really, really clear water and it's very beautiful. Also, the water is absolutely perfect temperature. It's probably like 80, 85 degrees out, but this water is absolutely perfect. So probably I'm gonna fish with, I got a worm on right now, but I have these worms that I can use. I also have, where are they? I also have these little mealworms right here. And if I need, I got tackle lures. And then this is on my little creek fishing kit that I made myself. All the hooks and stuff that I'll need. So I'm ready to go for today. I'm really excited because I've been creek fishing in like 6 months. So it is gonna be a lot of fun. Take a few casts, but usually when I'm fishing for these, since the water's clear, I can usually just see them, which is the easiest way. I saw a rainbow trout earlier, so I know that there's rainbow trout, I know there's bluegill, there's like these spotted bass, and then there's probably a few other species, but that's all I know of. But I've never seen a rainbow trout in here before, so I'm pretty sure they stocked it, which is really cool because I've always wanted to fish for trout in here, but they've just never had them, so. Oh, got him. Got him. Woo, look at that. First fish on the day. Oh wow, they are super, super pretty. Look at that little guy. Got the red eyes. Absolutely destroyed that hook somehow. I'm surprised he ate it because he's really small fish. But anyways, yeah, there it is. First little fish on the day. All right, so we have arrived at the next spot. It is super, super clear. So, kind of liking this. Oh, had a bite. All right, look at this. Caught a crawdad right there. A little something besides fish. So, yeah, look at that. One big claw, so it's kind of cool. Oh, oh, finally. There it is. Second fish on the day. He absolutely smoked it on the rooster tail. Here it is. This one's a little bit, oh, geez. This one's a little bit bigger. So, second fish on the day. I switched from that little crankbait to this rooster tail. And definitely paid off, so here we go. So yeah, there he is. That is the second fish on the day. And I'll go ahead and get some underwater footage for you guys. Oh, had another one. Oh, there he is. Fish number 3. Man, I saw him come up and get it. So, I think this rooster tail is working. So, what, third fish on the day? Yeah, so. Yeah, there he is, another nice little fish. And I'll get another cool release on him. Yeah, all right, so I think the rooster tail is the way to go because it's a good sign that they are biting this, because before I didn't get many bites except for the first fish that I caught early on. So things are starting to heat up, hopefully. So all right, well, I'm gonna keep walking down there. I'm gonna go get my bag. So I'll keep fishing this rooster tail and then we'll see what else we catch. All right, well, let's keep fishing over here. It looks really good because it's really open. Ooh, dang, I spooked him, but he might. Oh, he's looking at it. Spooked a fish right there, though. That's the only. That is a bad thing about these fish, is they're really, really sensitive. So if they see you at all first, you're probably not gonna catch them. So, got him, guys. Oh, man, he hammered that. Woo. Man, this guy is fat. See, like this guy, like if I was doing a catch and cook, I would fry him up. Look at how fat he is. I think that's a nice little sunfish. Wow. That is so pretty. No, I dropped him. It's okay. Anyways, yeah. What is that? Fourth fish on the day. And he absolutely hammered that. That guy was really, really fat. I don't know how and why, but that is a very, very big sunfish. Oh, jeez. Oh, I got bit. Something bit it. Oh, there he is. Man, he hammered that. Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at that. That is so cool. Man, these are some big sunfish. They're so fat too. Wow. All right, I'm gonna get him undone. Jeez, dude. So cool, but I mean, they're just super, super fat. Really, really pretty too. You see the little blue stripes right there? So cool. So, yeah, man, that. Here, I'm gonna go in the sunlight somewhere. Yeah, see that? Look at that. Super, super, super pretty. So, and let's get a cool release of them here. There we go. I mean, that's a better cast. Alright, gosh. I have to get out of the shade. I'm super cold. Oh, okay. Alright, yeah, we're gonna have to swim here. Oh gosh. Woo. Ah! Dude, oh my gosh. It is so deep. Oh my gosh. God, I was getting cold. Oh, there's one. Got him. Woo. He's fighting. That is actually a nice one. Wow, that's a good size. Let's take him to the rocks over here. There he is, fish number 6 on the day. Man, they are really, really cool. They're really just crushing this rooster tail here, which is a good thing because rooster tails are easy to fish. So yeah, look at that, so pretty and beautiful. That's why I love these fish, is they're unique and there's so many different species of them. They're all pretty fat too. So yeah, there it is.
That is going to be it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.